Hello Kottayam, welcome to the SFS Life, the most sought after lifestyle in Kerala. Over the years, SFS Homes has carved a niche for itself in Kerala by setting new benchmarks for the industry. Not only have we consistently delivered the finest lifestyles, but we have maintained an excellent track record of quality construction, timely delivery, and prompt after-sales service over the years. Today, SFS Homes is Kerala's most trusted builder by being the highest CRISIL-rated developer with a CRISIL DA2 rating. With close to 3 decades of experience in the industry and backed by a team of professionals, SFS Homes is the most preferred home builder in the state. Now we are proud to launch our first project in the land of letters, lakes and latex, Kottayam, the land of plenty and the land of prosperity. With a desire to craft a never-before lifestyle here, SFS has associated with the AVG Group, one of the leading corporate houses in Kerala. It gives us great pride and pleasure to present SFS Tranquil, the most exclusive residential project in Kottayam at Kodimata. We have conceptualized ultra-modern and super luxurious apartment complex, offering large luxury residences that will exceed your expectations. SFS Tranquil will be the first to be green residential project in Kottayam with luxury amenities and features. These high-end apartments bring you an extraordinary living experience. They bring panoramic views from a majestic condominium. So, welcome a skyscraper that reaches for the sky in all its offerings. So now, live regal. An iconic apartment complex that is spread across 17 floors with 4-bedroom duplex and 4 and 3-bedroom supersize apartments. Evidently, SFS Tranquil is for those who want only the very best. Come, let's take a journey into the lap of luxury. As you enter the premises, you are greeted with a unique hanging garden strategically placed to induce the warmth that SFS Tranquil stands for. Take the first few steps from the portico, the drop point with a glass portico, and get awestruck as the overall aesthetics match international standards of great ambience. Right from a double-height designer lobby that is fully air-conditioned to the reflective pool, each detail in this complex speaks volumes in terms of character. The enchanting landscaping along with the elegant decor spells out grandeur. SFS Tranquil is a residence that is a pièce de résistance, with multi-level security features which includes access control for lobby entry, elevators, video door phone for every apartment. All this goes a long way in ensuring unfailing security at all times. Solely for your indulgence, we have 3 kinds of pool: a large infinity pool, a shallow pool, and a kids pool with water guns. Because we understand swimming is more than just a physical exercise, it's family entertainment. With a belief grounded in holistic nature, we delight you with a contemplation terrace with a yoga deck. trendy gazebo is among our latest introductions to spend those breezy moments with family and friends. While your kids have fun and live out their world of fantasy, you and your social circle can have soiree by the barbecue dock. Here, the apartment will captivate you and you'll know you've always wanted to live this way. The grandeur is evident in the immaculate fixtures and the high-efficiency floor plan design. The 4-bedroom apartment is simply elegant and spacious. Walk into a large dining area and every meal will be more enjoyable. Your dazzling journey continues as you see our stylishly designed bedrooms with an air of elegance. And the bathrooms have premium brand fixtures. And each flat boasts of an individual water meter. As you refresh under the rain shower, the panoramic view scintillates your mind. The walk-in closet enhances the joy of grooming, and women can shop for more with ample wardrobe space. The windows are large and allow sunshine to grace your home. The balcony promises a scenic and enchanting view and leaves you breathless. And in Kottayam's first duplex apartments, there's space to really indulge, relax and entertain family and friends, and certainly evoke whispers of appreciation. Every little square inch is planned and executed to utmost perfection. To awaken the fitness freak in you, we have a large and fully equipped air-conditioned fitness center. And for great pastime, we have a pool table celebration hall which opens into the Tranquility Lounge to regenerate and rediscover. SFS Tranquil has ample